Hi, welcome to Richie's Garage. We're a vintage vehicle restoration channel. We are doing a J6, a 1961 J6, and we're incorporating a lot of vintage trucks mainly, from Bedfords, Commas, Internationals, Dodgers. Not so much the work on them, but the basic mechanics and electricals behind it all. We're going to be doing this over quite a few years. We've been going for about 3 or 4 years now. We're trying to get the Bedford up and running. We need to pull it apart completely and put it back together. I work with a couple of other people. I get a lot of parts from different people. I'll be sourcing things for the truck. The most important thing that I think is that it's a community, and we're going to be putting a lot of resources that we find into the truck. The whole restorers, vintage truck restorers is so vast. I've learned so much. It's really difficult to keep a whole track of everybody all the time. I appreciate all the information that I get on Facebook, on our YouTube channel, and Instagram and Messenger, where I converse with people like Brad Dunn and Noel TK to get parts and information. HVCV is also a regular source of information that we look out for. It's great. It's a really good community. So at Richie's Garage, we are working on the Bedford. I'd love to have more in the backyard. That's not feasible. It'd be great. Hopefully down the track, when we get this on the road, we'll be able to look at doing another one. I've got my eye on a nice little SL Bedford, maybe even a little Dodge. But for the time being, we'll keep updated. Our videos have been posted for over 4 years. I'm pretty sure that they were from the very first time we tried to get the truck, which took 3 weekends. Enjoy. I'm not the most interesting person. Hopefully the videos are a lot more interesting, and yeah, look forward to keeping you updated and showing you bits and pieces. Like we've gone from a positive earth to a negative earth. Had to rewire some stuff, put a battery in to get the whole system working. Had to reverse the polarity of the regulator and also the generator. Little things like that. Put new wiring in for put new plugs in. The truck runs. It doesn't drive very well because we don't have brakes. So, but it's a 2-speed diff. It's a 5-speed box and a 300 cubic inch petrol engine, which is a 4.9 litre straight 6, which is quite a big engine. It's got a lot of torque, but it's not speed orientated. Hopefully I'll be able to keep you entertained, keep you informed, and hopefully in the next couple of years we'll be able to take people for drives in it. It'd be great. So Richie's Garage, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.